I bought 5 computers from Facebook Marketplace. They've been sitting in a Texas garage for almost 20 years. Every single one of them was dead. I spent $50, and for a moment, I honestly thought I'd just thrown it all away. But one split-second decision in a stranger's driveway changed everything. Let me explain. I have a Windows XP gaming system, Case 12, Athlon XP GE4 FX 5500, runs max Payne and the Simpsons Hit and Run flawlessly. This is my actual computer from 2003. I bought the CPU at Fry's, couldn't afford the expensive one, but when I got home and checked, they gave me the better one by mistake. Son of a gun, I got lucky. This thing meant something. I had multiple DV drives in it, burning everything back in the day, movies, music, all of it. Over the years, I upgraded other systems, parted pieces out, but Case 12 stayed with me. 20 plus years now, I love this computer. Just one problem. When you're filming retro gaming content, it doesn't look good on camera. Old beige tower, DVD drive hanging out. This is not camera ready, and that's the only problem it has. My channel, Floppy Deep Dive, is about authentic retro gaming on real hardware, not emulation. Real systems, real games, exactly how they were played. But I also care about production quality. I need systems that look as good as they perform. Case 12 performs beautifully. It just doesn't film well. So I needed something camera worthy that could do the job. I'm scrolling Facebook Marketplace and I see this post, 5 computers, $10 each, take what you want. One of them is this Windows XP Media Center Edition system with this gorgeous black case. Perfect, that's exactly what I need. My plan? Grab 3 of them. The Media Center one I wanted, maybe 2 others for parts, $30, fair deal. But then she tells me she's leaving all 5 in the driveway. Money under the mat, she won't even be home. Just grab what you want and go. I get there and all 5 are sitting out there with other stuff on the driveway. I started loading the 3 I planned on into my trunk. Then I looked back at the other 2. Still sitting there, $10 each. And I think, you know what, might as well just grab them all. So I do. 5 dead computers, 20 years in a garage. Let's see if it was genius or just stupid. 2 decades in a Texas garage, mercy. First step, blow them all out. Get the worst of it off. But that's not enough. These things are filthy. So I spent an hour with cleaning wipes inside and out, cases, motherboards, drive bays, panels, from garage grimy to actually clean. Now I can bring them inside. Let's see what I actually bought. Time to plug them in, one by one. Let's see if any of these even turn on. This is the one I came for, the Media XP Media Center Edition. Look at this case. Professional, perfect for video, dead power supply. Specs look good though, on 64, 3700 plus, fixable. Case 19, HP Media Center. Open it up, holy Moses, it has a TV tuner card. That's actually cool. And that blue light comes on, fans spin and immediately stop. Even the fan on the case starts spinning and immediately stops. Dead power supply, but wait, Core 2 Duo at 2.13 gigahertz? That's faster than Case 17. Interesting. Case 18, compact, Athlon 64, 3500 plus, dead power supply. At this point, the pattern is obvious. Case 16, HP Pavilion, GeForce 8500 GT. It powers on, fan spins, nothing on the screen, no post, probably a dead motherboard. Case 20, Vista Era system. It powers on, but the CPU fan doesn't spin. That's bad. End of day 1, 5 computers, zero working. This is where I started wondering if I just wasted 50 bucks. But then I realized those two extra systems I grabbed, case 16 and 20, they have working power supplies. That extra $20 impulse decision might be able to pay off. Day 2, the plan. Case 16 and case 20 probably won't ever work, but their power supplies might save everything else. Let's start with the one I actually wanted, case 17. I grabbed an old power supply from my parts bin, dropped it in, moment of truth. Holy Moses, Windows XP Media Center Edition? It lives! Fallen 960 megs of RAM, perfect. But here's the problem, password protected. I don't have it, so here's the trick. At the login screen, Control-Alt-Delete twice. Classic login. Administrator, no password, we're in. New admin account created, original install preserved, no reinstall. Back to case 17. Date's wrong, January 1st, 2002, dead CMOS battery. $2 later, case 17 is officially alive. This is the system I came for. Boom. But let's keep going. Case 19. I steal the power supply from case 20, drop it in. It works. Windows Vista though. I want XP. Fresh install, another dead CMOS battery, replaced, Core 2 Duo, 2 gigs of RAM, TV tuner card. This thing's actually really nice. Let's try for 3. Power supply from case 16. It powers on, but beep codes. No RAM detected. I've got spare DDR2, 2 sticks, black slots, that matters. Windows Vista Home Premium. A dead CMOS battery replaced. Case 18 lives. The realization, case 16 and 20 never worked. Dead boards, dead CPUs, but the power supplies? Those power supplies brought 3 other systems back from the dead. That split-second decision in the driveway to grab all 5? It's the only reason this worked. Now I've got 3 working systems. Case 17, the one I wanted. Case 18, Vista system. Case 19, better specs. But I only need 1 camera-ready XP gaming rig. So which one wins? Boot times? Case 19 is faster. Loading games? Case 19 again. Navigating windows, snappier, more responsive. That Core 2 Duo just handles XP better than this Athlon 64. Visually, both look great on camera, way better than Case 12's beige tower with the DVD hanging out. Now, here's the thing. I went there for Case 17. This beautiful media center case was the whole reason I drove over. And it works. It's a great system. But after actually using both cases, 19's faster, smoother, and this silver HP case looks just as good on camera. So case 19 becomes my new on-camera XP gaming rig. Not the one I planned to get, but the one that earned it. $50 for 5 computers, $6 on CMOS batteries, $56 total, 3 working systems, hundreds in value. And if I stuck to my original plan and only bought 3, none of this might have worked. That extra $20 turned 0 working computers into 3. Lessons learned, trust your gut, part donors matter, test everything. Old systems mean dead power supplies and dead CMOS batteries. And wipe your hard drives, holy Moses. Case 12 still sits here, runs max Payne, still means something, but for videos, case 19 is the new workhorse. So when you see Windows XP gaming on this channel, Half-Life 2, Far Cry, Need for Speed Underground, that's case 19. Real hardware, real Windows XP, camera ready, all from a $50 gamble and all for 1 split-second decision. So what XP games should I test first on case 19? Let me know in the comments. And if you want authentic retro gaming on real hardware without production quality that sucks, hit subscribe If you want to become a member, join the community for as little as 99 cents. I'm Tom from Texas. Boom.